Okay, guys. Um, I'm gonna quickly start off. Um, I'm so tired, first of all. But anyways, I want to discuss how I made 150 today. So first thing I did, right? Instantly, I did. I went to the one day. I went to the one day. So I marked out the previous day, right? As you can see, I marked out the previous day and previous high and low, both of these, right? And now what this allows me to do, it gives me more insight. If price decides to break this, I'm like, okay, like it gives me extra all confirmation, right? It also shows me where the low and the high is from, right? For this particular day, I did not mark out the high for each high and low for each session. This day was pretty straightforward. So after I went to the day, right, I decided to cut down to an hour. Cut down to an hour, right? As you can see that high and low of the day, right? Trade today, right? As I can see is that price rejected up this area, right? So I know it's kind of hard to see. So I'll go to lower time frame. Uh, okay, 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes. I'm so tired, by the way. As you can see, first thing I noticed, right, come off this day, right, is that we managed to why can't I do it, bro? What the fuck going on? Okay, so we managed to take out these London highs here, right? As you can see, right, we took them out. I assume prices move higher, right? But I have my bias pretty locked in for a bearish day. As you can see, we just hit like 200 points. So as you guys can see that we take out on the highs, right? We end up having rejections, right? Now this rejection, I'm like, okay, we're looking for bearish, like I already knew it, right? Now what I did is that I instantly started mark out these lows, every single lows in the market, right? Every single low, right? As you can see, every single low. I'm marking them out. My confirmation was from a fair value gap and liquidity sweep that we gotten up here, right? So as you can see, let's go 3 minute. We have where the fuck is fair value gap at? It's right here. We have one fair value gap right here, right? I'm waiting for price to break this, to break this range right here, right? To break this, price continue to move lower, take it on London, right? Completely taking on London, right? 'Cause London was up from an uptrend, right? As you can see, right? That part, price tried to retrace, couldn't retrace up to here. Price fell to go higher. As you can see, we dropped down. I checked the news. We had no news today. No manipulation at all whatsoever. So today was a really easy day. And let me just show my PL real quick. I'm so tired, bro. On the right account though? Gotcha, I am okay. Let me just uh there you go, 164 made. I didn't even trade yesterday. That's a crazy part, guys. I didn't trade yesterday. Because it's manipulation here. I was not trading this at all. I wanted to go short for these lows, but again we have all this manipulation. So me look into this day, I was actually very, very, very skeptical, right? Time frame showed me that we had such liquidity right here, right? I'm thinking this area right here is such liquidity, right? I'm thinking that we're gonna move up and retrace. We ended up not retracing. So what gave me the idea to even be able to short is when we broke. It's when we swept London, right? After we swept London, we moved lower. That gave me extra confidence that okay, that's look for sure, right? I already kind of had a bias. So looking towards short, I was very skeptical that price could have easily just manipulated one chop and took me out. I went to 45 minutes, which I always go to. This also gives me like just a lot more confirmation, right? Look at this. As you can see, buyers push the market all the way up here. NC got rejected. So we end up having a liquidity sweep right here, as you guys can see. Give me 1 minute. And take a we end up having a liquidity sweep, taking out these orders from right here. Price move lower, right? Price move lower again. We broke this here, London, Asia, and I was targeting these lows here, and so I got stopped out from this area right here. Got stopped out because I was assuming that price was going to continue to move lower. That's with my initial take. I entered this trade 4 times. I was very skeptical. I needed a couple confirmation. That's something I need to work on is more confirmation and just confidence in myself when trading. So basically that's basically really it though, guys. I was okay trying to record, post this because that I need to be more consistent with this stuff. There's a lot of days where I don't want to do none of this at all, bro. I just tired in high school, so it's very stressful, guys. So hope you guys have a blessed day, and I love you guys too.